Namaste to one and all. In today's Saptatala Alankara teaching session, I am going to teach you the Chatusra Jati Madhya Tala and Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. In the previous class, I have taught you Chatusra Jati Dhruva Tala, which is having 14 Akshara Kala. So today let's see what are the Angas of Chatusra Jati Madhya Tala and Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. First, Madhya Tala. Madhya Tala comes after the Dhruva Tala and its Angas are Laghu, because its Jati is Chatusra. So Laghu's value is 4. Laghu, 1 Laghu first, then Dhrutam, then one more Laghu. So Laghu, Dhrutam, Laghu, or you can remember like Dhruvatalam minus 1 Laghu from Dhruvatalam. If you minus or remove one last Laghu of Dhruvatala, you will get Madhya Tala. So in Dhruvatala the Angas are Laghu, Dhrutam, Laghu, Laghu. In Madhya Tala, Laghu, Dhrutam, Laghu. You know the symbol of or the representation of Laghu is a single line, Dhrutam is full moon or a circle, then again Laghu. And what is the value of Chatusra Jati Madhya Tala? Chatusra means 4 and Dhrutam means 2, right? The value of Dhruta is constant. So 4. Now see the Angas, Laghu, Dhrutam, Laghu. 4 plus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So the Aksharakala duration of Madhya Tala is 10. Okay, 10. It's 10. Now let's move on to the Chatusra Jati Madhya Tala lesson. Madhya Tala. Sa ri ga ri sa ri ga ma ga ri ga ma pa ga ma pa ma ga ma pa dha pa ma pa dha ni pa dha ni dha pa dha ni sa ni dha ni sa ni dha pa ni dha pa dha ni dha pa ma dha pa ma pa dha pa ma ga pa ma ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa. Next is Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. Now let's see what are the Angas of Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. This Rupaka Tala is going to come in all the other compositions which you will learn in future, like kritis. There are varnams in Rupaka Tala, Gitas, kritis, bhajans, everything in Rupaka Tala. Compared to Dhruva Tala and Madhya Tala, we have less number of compositions, but there are compositions in Dhruva Tala and Madhya Tala. In Dikshitas, the Sri Muthuswami Dikshitas Navagraha Kritis are all set in this Saptatala, Saptatalas. So you can learn all those things in future. So this Rupaka Tala you have to keep in mind, it's very important. Later on, the way of recurring the Rupaka Tala, will change, that I will show you later. So Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala, its angas are Dhrutam first and then a Laghu. So only two angas, one Dhrutam and one Laghu, Chatusra Laghu. Very easy to calculate the Aksharakala. Dhrutam is what? 2. And Laghu, Chatusra Jati means 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So the Aksharakala is 6. And let's see how to sing the Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala. Sari, Sari, Gama, Riga, Riga, Ma, Pa, Gama, Gama, Pa, Dha, Ma, Pa, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Pa, Dha, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ni, Dha, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Dha, Pa, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma, Ga, Ri, Ma, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ri, Sa. I hope you all have understood Chatusra Jati Madhya Tala and Chatusra Jati Rupaka Tala in today's session. Please keep on practicing the Dhruva Tala, Madhya Tala and Rupaka Tala as well. After teaching you all the Saptatalas in first speed, I will teach you it in second speed and I will show how to sing in third speed and all. For every lesson, for every basic lesson, you have to practice till fourth speed. I am reminding you in all my videos like that. You have to keep on practicing it in fourth speed. I know I have shown how to sing Janta Varisha in for third speed, how to sing, I taught you how to sing Janta Varisha in second speed, how many swaras will come in second speed, how many swaras will come in third speed, that all things I have informed you. With that you can practice and do it. And in Sarali Varisha video I have given all the speeds in one single video. I have taught all the speeds in all the other videos as well. So for Sarali Varisha, Madhyasthai Varisha, Tarasthai and Mandrasthai, the process is same. 8 notes will come in one beat for fourth kala, whereas in Janda Varisha 8 notes will come in third speed and 16 notes will come in fourth speed. And in this Saptatala Alangaras also the same rule of Sarali Varisha you can apply. Those who have already learned Saptatala can practice the second speed, third speed and fourth speed. So see you in the next video with another 2 new lessons, Tisra Jati Tribhuda Tala and Mishra Jati Jamba Tala. Thank you.